Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 It's time to learn how to enable private Threads account on iPhone and Android. In more ways than one, Threads is a top-notch microblogging app. If for someone who wishes to share your thoughts with friends and followers, there is a decent chance this app will appeal to your taste. But what if you are tired of never-ending trolling or abusive comments from unknown people and wish to use the Threads app in a more personal way? Bother not, as this is where private account has a role to play. That said, let me show you how to enable and use private Threads account on iPhone and Android. First and foremost, open the Threads app on your iPhone or Android smartphone. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the user interface. Then tap on the menu button at the upper right corner of the user interface. Then choose privacy to proceed. After that, turn on the toggle right next to private account. You will now get a pop-up on the screen asking you to confirm the action. Make sure to tap on OK in the menu to confirm the action and you are good to go. From now onwards, only your approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. Hence, there is a good chance you won't have to face trolling or malicious comments on your posts. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can enable and use private Threads account on iPhone and Android. Now that you know how this super cool feature works, make the most of it to keep trolling at a fair distance. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.